burn it down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down? Who gon'?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado,
Mon amour pour toi n'est pas comme les autres. Il est plus spécial, asocial, et m'emmène dans le décor de mes rêves, direction abîmée ou ambidextre. Si j'avais pu te dire, si j'avais pu t'écrire, mes sentiments pâles, je t'aurais mis en garde au vu de mes collisions neuronales qui projettent des obsessions, des confusions.
lace yourself into this looker and prepare to be impressed, as the style chic, strappy silhouette and high point heel will have you looking and feeling your best. Created by ASOS, but styled by you. From the ASOS design, your go-to for all the latest trends, no matter who you are, where you're from, and what you're up to. The Nadine strappy high-heeled sandals balances eclectic mock snake embroidery with a simple tie leg design. Exclusive to ASOS from the universal brand that is here for you and comes in all your fit ranges. ASOS curve, tall, petite, and maternity. The Nadine is sure to have you all tied up. If wanting worldly shoe styles and trends, shoe reviews, news, and on-feet previews from towering heels and more, then smash that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe to my channel and share this video. Sashaying in with a heel height of 11 centimeters, 4 inches, the Nadine features a metallic faux leather upper with lining sock and sole made of 100% other materials and an approximate 40-inch leg strap for tying up and around your leg. Now, what those 100% other materials consist of, I have absolutely no idea, as that information was not readily on hand. But I'll just assume it's made from a plastic base that is then treated with wax, dye, or polyurethane to create the color and texture, as most, if not all, faux leather materials are. Here in a size 8 in the color Silver Snake, on sale for $41.40, including free shipping and excluding taxes from the original retail price of $46, exclusively at ASOS.com. That's ASOS.com. The lace-up closure, pointed, open-toe, high point heeled stiletto is sure to have you all tied up and then some. This barely there heel can be partnered with a strapped cocktail dress for evening wear or a linen romper for casual wear. It's that versatile. Interestingly, the shoes come with a California Proposition 65 warning, stating that this product can expose you to chemicals including lead, which is known to the state of California, where I am, to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. Now, I've never seen this warning come with shoes, but I don't know if that's because this site takes extra precaution in advising their consumers, as they also offer the warning on other footwear like Puma and Nike, or if I should really be worried about my feet. So, not sure whether to be impressed or digress by this warning, even though I know I probably own furniture or even some clothing that's made with quote unquote some other materials which could be hazardous to my health, as the P65 warning government website indicates. This list has grown to include approximately 900 chemicals since it was first published in 1987. So, my superheroes out there, I am just offering the information as a precautionary measure and purchase so you're fully aware and fully informed, because that's what we do here at SHOEPERFLY. So, what you think? It's not really much to divulge about the heel because it's not much there. So, is it too simplistic of a shoe for you? Tell me what you think. Well, in my opinion, it's not that it's too simplistic for me, but me no likey, as it doesn't feel like a good fit, meaning it feels a bit too small, even though it actually does fit in size. Even the darn box looked like it's holding kids' shoes. You saw the box, right? And it looks tiny. It looks a tiny bit cheap. I mean, it's cute. It's cute. Don't get me wrong, but up close and on, it just looks a tad bit cheap to me. And it causes discomfort all the way around. There's nothing comfortable about this shoe. So it's not SHOEPERFLY, but a don't buy from me. Take a closer look. Over the past few years, the British company ASOS has blown up and become one of the world's most popular online fashion destinations. It sells well over 850 different brands and also makes its own range of affordable clothing and accessories. With that said, in light of recent controversies, ASOS has had to demand greater transparency from brands which want to sell their clothes and footwear on its site, following an industry-wide scandal surrounding factory working conditions, revealing a new supply chain pledge following the Boohoo scandal. Rival Boohoo, a United Kingdom-based online fashion retailer aimed at 16 to 30 euros, was accused of modern-day slavery, paying staff below the minimum wage and forcing them to work in unsafe conditions in a factory in Leicester, United Kingdom. Now, it should be stated that Boohoo has stated that it was not aware that it was using the facility and denied any wrongdoing. Now, I'm not sure of how you cannot be aware of where and how your own company is doing its business, but nonetheless, the fashion retailer ASOS is now urging third-party brands to sign the transparency pledge. Launched in 2016 by 9 charities, including Human Rights Watch, which will require them to publicly reveal their manufacturing supply chains. According to Daily Mail, ASOS, along with other retailers, dropped Boohoo lines, which also include the lines Pretty Little Thing and Nasty Gal. You've heard of those, right? From their sites in the wake of this scandal, asking brands to ensure they have visibility over all parts of their supply chain and are able to prove this to ASOS. Additionally, ASOS has already ended contracts with a number of suppliers after unearthing issues with their supply chain. From the cleanclothes.org website, the Transparency Pledge states that it, quote, helps demonstrate apparel and footwear companies' commitment towards greater transparency in their manufacturing supply chain. Transparency of a company's manufacturing supply chain better enables a company to collaborate with civil society in identifying, assessing, and avoiding actual or potential adverse human rights impacts. This is a critical step that strengthens a company's human rights due diligence, end quote. Each company is to publish on its website on a regular basis, at minimum of twice a year, a list naming all sites that manufacture its products. ASOS said UK suppliers would be the initial focus area after Leicester became the center of scandal last month that saw Boohoo being accused of modern slavery. Hard to believe in 2020 this is still happening, but good look ASOS for trying to step up and be a change maker, as while the prospect of more affordable and cute fashion deliveries to my doorstep is exciting, such low price tags oftentimes negate the true cost of fast fashion, i.e. questionable labor policies and production processes that are detrimental to the environment, mostly human workers' conditions, which is never worthy of any cost. So, for more information about the California Proposition 65 warning, you can go to www.p65warnings.california.gov. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.